One day our big brother's mind was set, curious about Dad's old alarm clock yet. How did the hands align just right to ring so loud and break the night? In the days before phones were around, the alarm's shrill ring was the morning sound. Ring-a-ding-ding at the break of dawn, guiding Dad as he carried on. Hey, our brother's the king of quests, breaking down clocks with a curious zest. Watching gears turn spinning in sync, his boundless wonder makes you think. With a heart that beats in a curious race, his sparkling eyes explore every space. Fascination shining, lighting his way. Big Brother's wonder grows each day. Secretly he took the clock apart, unveiling the mystery with a daring heart. Even scoldings couldn't make him quit his awe and wonder always outwit. Though Mom's frustration couldn't be denied, she couldn't dim the light in his eyes. Like Edison's spark, his curious flame, one day he'll surely make his name. Hey, our brother's the king of quests, breaking down clocks with a curious zest. Watching gears turn spinning in sync, his boundless wonder makes you think. The alarm clock broke, but his dreams stood tall. Unfolding secrets, he'd conquer them all. Step by step he'd learn and grow, illuminating truths we'd never know. Hey, our brother's the king of quests, breaking down clocks with a curious zest. Watching gears turn spinning in sync, his boundless wonder makes you think. With a heart that beats in a curious race,